megalayapost.news.
चेक करो मैं एक बार चेक करो
Dah jeng berdin ke pelit ke boy, boy beriu berhenti kam hidrok sulangat hak strip jeng pulen. Borneo beriu belasyak kem hak pulen ke boy latip kerteng kum usi rajul hak lain pendusnem kerta naber peta jong ke jelasam. Pembela pentip bagi he pelit ke boy. Ki pelit ke liok ben kem yotu beriu ke heden bagi liok jeng tip. Badru bagi lepen absirip ban yok bat ya kawai ke sekuti ke badon yo number ML10 C saupra lai. Hak bahag jeng telasi pelit ke liok ben kurup yo drok heroin bakia kumba sau pandai poin sau gram bala thep ba santli isenduk sabon haden ke juk kem yo beriu bat balayu kurup bi kita drok nakaliang pelit kila pengat yo beriu hak kendon jongka NDPS Act badru bagi jeng tukit benti bnia halor kene ke juk kem kadang ya chikman.
Today, the 6th ago, we have received an information that some unknown suspicion was bringing some suspected content. Accordingly, we have set up a nakabandi out here, and then our police managed to nab the suspect person in this area, which is known as Nukudai. So, you will be the witness, my dear brother. May I know your good name? Okay, thank you. So just want to inform that, and this is the person to whom we have detained. That his name is Sergey Ong. And then we have a suspected contraband out here, and we have a net out here, and there is a helmet behind now since been training due to the situation. We have kept all the things, and there which is concealing inside the bag the suspected. And that is, we have that. This is the crime scene that we have detected, and this is the accused person suspected to bring his business. Now, due to heavy raining out here, because it is a very sensitive thing, I think from here we have a 3 meters to 5 meters. With this tree, we will remove this suspected contaminant substance, and we will make very that I would just like to inform you all. And we have this bag also. I would like to take from the before Yes. Picture আছে খালি rubber band ID card and we have इधर रखो rubber band भी रखो ठीक है We'll remove now. So for 2 blue top box, 2 brown top box, and 1 cream top box, cream color. Total we have a 5. We have a 2 sky blue top box, we have a brown top box, we have a 1 top cream color top box. Total we have a 5 top box where it might be concealing some suspected contraband inside. Now I would like to instruct my subordinate Asal Marak to remove this rubber band and soap box and to check out. So, as we have recovered from this detainee, Asal Marak will test the suspected suspect. Left one. DXA one.
Each and every whether we want to search from the scooty's position where he drives the scooty, and he concerned that magistrate does not require, the GO police officer is required. He has consented to search in presence of the gazetted officer of police.
Meghalaya Post.news.